Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video and like it. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the very delicious barbecue chicken wings. It's also called honey glazed wings, barbecue honey glazed wings. The ingredients for this recipe is of course chicken wings. So now I have 10 full chicken wings. I'm going to cut them and separate them into wings and drumettes. We are going to separate the drumette from the wing part, and we are also going to cut the tip off. Now the tip, you can just store it so you can use maybe in your to make chicken stock. So you just look for the joint and then you're going to cut at the joint like that. So that's how you're going to do it in this, and just cut the tip off. If you enjoy the tip, you can leave it on there, but for today I'm just going to save this for my chicken stock. I am now done cutting all my chicken wings. So now I have 20 pieces of chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all my spices into the chicken, wrap them nicely with the chicken, and wrap them nicely with the chicken. So I'm having a teaspoon of paprika, so I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, and then I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then I'm going to add just a couple of 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now make sure your hands are clean. You wash your hands very well. Then now you're just going to go in and just mix all the spices together. I don't add my spices to the flour because I know and I'm afraid that my chicken will not be full of flavor. So what we are going to do now, we are going to preheat our oven to 220 degrees Celsius. To grease it, you can grease it with oil or with cooking spray. Grease it with non-stick oil, cooking spray, non-stick cooking spray. Now after greasing your baking sheet tray, now I'm going to get my chicken wings, and then I'm going to coat it with a cup. So this is 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. So I'm now going to coat my chicken wings into the flour and just shake off any excess flour and place it into your tray. I am now done putting all my chicken wings into my baking sheet. Now we are going to bake this for 45 minutes, but we are going to flip the chicken wings halfway. The chicken will cook for 22.5 minutes, and then we remove it from the oven and then flip it. Then put it back again. It has been cooking for 22 minutes 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to flip it around. Just flipping it around. I'm going to place it back into the oven, and then I'm going to cook this for 22.5 minutes more. So now guys, my chicken is just out of the oven now. It has been cooking for 22.5 minutes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my half a cup of honey. I'm going to put half a cup of honey there, and 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Now we are going to mix this very well together. And this is where we are going now to put all our chicken wings into the barbecue sauce. So what we're going to do, just get the chicken wings and place them into the sauce. Now we are just going to coat all of them very well. My barbecue wings are now well coated, so what we are going to do, we are going to transfer them back into the baking sheet pan. My chicken wings are now coated, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the oven temperature to the highest it can go, and then we are going to put the wings into the oven, and then we are going to cook them for 4 minutes on the highest heat. My chicken wings are out of the oven, and oh, they smell so divine. So I'm just going to plate them up quickly. So there we have it, guys. We just made our sticky barbecue wings. So you can enjoy your barbecue wings with French fries that I made earlier, and the card will be up there in the corner somewhere on how to make the French fries. So there you have it, guys. I hope you try these recipes out, and please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video. And always don't forget to cook, eat, and enjoy your food. Bye. See you in the next video.